Hello students of class 10. Today this is our continuing video second part for natural vegetation. So the next measure is afforestation and reforestation. Afforestation means stop planting of more and more trees. It is called afforestation. And reforestation means what? If we cut tree, we have to plant a new tree. That is called reforestation. And number H is adaptation of forest management, like felling of mature tree and selective tree felling operation. We should fix the particular tree which we should uh, select a mature tree. We should not cut any premature tree. We should stop cutting of premature tree. That is a very important part, that premature tree must not be felled down, and we should take care, proper measures or steps of how we can select the mature tree, and we should cut that mature tree. If we fell the premature tree, then it will, if we fail the premature tree, then it will not grow up, and there will be shortage of tree in near future. Next, people's participation. For all these activities, human beings or our participation is very important. So our participation is important. Our participation is important. We should participate by following ways, that is Ban Mahotsav. In the month of July in India, this Ban Mahotsav program is celebrated every year. In this program, the Forest Department of India supply free saplings to ants are planted everywhere, and this is very important and initiative taken by our government to stop, to check or to plant trees. And Ban Mahotsav is celebrated in India at the beginning of the rainy season, when saplings are planted and afforestation for saving the environment is encouraged. We should encourage this procedure or method, and everyone, we should follow this method of at least if we should take a measure that at least one tree we can plant. Next is the Chipko movement. Chipko movement is a very important movement. It was taken by Chipko movement was taken by one Garhwal in the Garhwal region of Uttarakhand, by Garhwali, that is Sundarlal Bahuguna. He was an environmentalist. So when the people or the people from the government forest department come to cut the trees, the people or the local people of this Garhwal region, especially the women and the children, hold the trunk of the tree tightly so that they cannot be cut. So this is known as the Chipko movement. The famous Chipko movement of 1972 of Garhwal, Uttarakhand, started under the able leadership of Sir Sundarlal Bahuguna. The clearing of village woodlands were resisted by the local people, especially women, who clung to the tree trunk when loggers come to cut the tree. In this way, they resolved to sacrifice their lives before their single tree was struck or cut. So, this is a very important and good initiative taken by the people or the local people of the Garhwal region to stop being the trees to cut. So this is known as Chipko movement, important for your exam. And last two part is also very important, that is social forestry and agroforestry. What is social forestry? Social forestry is a forestry of the people, by the people and for the people. Social forestry. Social forestry is a forestry of the people, for the people and by the people. It means forestry and agricultural land in a, so means forestry in beside the agricultural field, railway lines, roadsides, river bank, so that the society, the entire society can get benefited. And agroforestry, it is another method or measures. Agroforestry, it is another measures taken to do forestry and agriculture in a same plot of land. Forestry and agriculture in a same plot of land is called agroforestry. Agroforestry is a rising of trees and agricultural crop on the same plot of land. Crops are grown well within the forest clearing without cutting, and this method is very important. These two methods are very important to stop clearing of the forest. So for your exam, social forestry, agroforestry is very important, and then you have to prepare their difference also. Okay, and in the next video I will start the different types of vegetation. Thank you, class.